In this segment of the Word tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert headers and footers in a document. So let's suppose we have this document. It's a pretty long document, 16 pages, and now we want to insert a footer. We go here under Insert, and then go under this section for header and footer. Select the type of footer that we want to insert, and notice there are different designs that you can apply to this document. Select one of those designs, click OK, and notice it gives you the type of footer that you selected automatically. Now in this case it's selected to page 2 out of 15. Now here you could format this text to be a different color if you prefer, and to make it larger or smaller and things of that nature. Now notice also, as you're dealing with headers and footers, now in our case we have a cover page, but if we didn't have a cover page, your first page will have the page number. In that case, you want to select that option for different on first page. That's what makes the page number not show up on that very first page if you had a cover page. From here, you could add other field types under the footer. Let's say to the left of this footer, I want to insert the file name. You can do that by inserting document information, and you could choose the author or the file name or the path, or you can even insert a field name such as the date created and table, all kinds of data from this document. So I'll choose here file name, and that's my current file name. And notice that has been applied to the rest of the document. To get out of the footer mode, just double-click anywhere in the text, and that will bring you back and take you off the footer mode. If you want to go back into it, double-click on the footer, and it will bring you the tools related to header or the footer. The process works the same way for the header. So if I go under the document here and choose Insert, then Header, and then pick one of those header types or header templates, and then I chose to have the document title here. You can adjust the formatting of this as needed. You have 3 different tabs of contextual tools in this case, and the reason for that is because we are working with a table within our header area of the document.